Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. Today's video, wait, I'm gonna have to delete all of that footage. Am I good? Shine bright like a diamond. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. Today's video is a unboxing video. You already know what it is. What have I been talking about? You already know what I've been talking about. And if you don't know, you need to go watch my last video, my last unboxing video. I will link it up here in the description. But you already know. A girl been talking about what? Them Air Jordan 1s. Yes. I said I want the Air Jordan 1s. What? I'ma wait. If y'all been watching, what did I say I wanted? I'll wait. Leave a comment. I'll wait. I ain't gonna make y'all wait no more. Air Jordan 1s. Let's get these open. My husband ordered these from Stockx. First time purchasing anything off of Stockx. He got a really good deal. It came with like a little card. This is so cute with this Louis bag. This clear Louis bag, duffel bag. It's not on the list though, but it's cute. Okay, so he paid, I don't even want to talk about the price, but he paid $258. And I know these things retail for probably $120. Yo, this resale game is crazy. $258. They retail for $120, but it is what it is. What you gonna do? If you late to the party, you gotta pay to get in. So it is what it is. I wanted them, and $258. Not bad. I seen them higher than that. So, and they're official because in the box you got the Nike swoosh. Yep, let me get a little close up. And then at the bottom, you got the little, yeah. Because you know, it's a lot of fake ones going around. Then, got the nice thin paper. And the little small bag with the extra laces in them. You'll get them sneakers with that big bag. The big one with the laces in it. Something ain't right. And when he ordered them, he had to do like a little bid. And he bid, somebody else bid, and he bid. Then I guess he won. They said we won. Then they had to send them this, they got shipped from the person's house to Stockx. And then Stockx notified us when they received them. They said they was, you know, doing authentication on them. And then they put this little tag, verified tag on it from Stockx. If you wanna focus, yeah, there we go. So yeah, and this is what they look like, y'all. These are so cute. I know y'all seen them everywhere, but look how tiny they are and cute and adorable. This, I'm a grade school 4.5. Take them both out. Oh, and of course it comes with the Jordan sticker. And a Stockx sticker. I don't know if it's going to focus on that. So these little cuties are super duper cute. Super cute. I can't wait to try these on. I'm gonna lace these bad. I'm gonna lace these bad boys up, and I'm gonna take a couple my shots with them. I might do a lookbook with these too. I'm not 100% sure, but these are so fire. What really caught my eye when I wanted these, and my husband was like, he wasn't feeling it, is the yellow sole. Can you see that? See how the sole is not white? It's like a yellow. It look faded. They look old. That's what made me, I really was feeling it when I seen those. The like Halloween colors, but I don't know. They're different and they super cute. So patent leather. I'm just dropping this stuff all over the place. I'll edit that out. Super cute, right? Thumbnail. I need a thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. But anyway, let me stop playing around because there's gonna be so much editing. So yeah, the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Where's the box? Because I think it's a number 2. Here it is. Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Just say retro on them. They're 2.3s, 2.0s, something. Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards, the patent leather. Yes, these are in my top 10 now for my Jordans. So these, the pine greens, my Bel-Air 5s, those are definitely number 1 in my top 10 Jordans. My Bred 11s. So what? The pine greens, Shattered Backboards, Bred 11s, Bel-Air 5s, taxis, and I actually sold my taxis. I don't know what I was thinking about. I sold my taxis, but I have those in like the white with the blue, but I sold the taxis. Oh, my Gamma. I think I sold my Gammas too. I'm not 100% sure. I'll be selling sneakers left and right and then be like, why did I sell them? I have no idea. Just like my Carmines. I don't know what I was thinking about when I sold my Carmine 6s. What was I thinking about? I have no idea. But I sold them. And now I'm like, oh, they so cute. What was I thinking about? But yeah. What y'all think? Super fire? I think so. Thank you for stopping by with me to open my Shattered Backboard Jordan 1s. So please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you're new here, do me a favor. You already know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you can be notified. I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't miss it. Don't come to the party late. You're going to be paying extra just like me. So, but anyway, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. And your girl Sid signing off. Peace. Like Halloween colors, but I don't know. They're different and they super cute. So patent leather. I'm just dropping this stuff all over the place. I'll edit that out.